偏覆嘅真係有呢個偏覆指引喺度。
There, the bus. Hanging bus.
哦，吊住晒喺度喎。
But there are small ones. So they are insect bus.
Insect.
Yes.
Okay, good.
And this is the bat cave, Cannon.
Cannonball?
Bat cave. We call it that bat cave. And it's almost 200 meters, the length of the bat cave. The length of this cave is 8.2 kilometers, but the navigable part is only 4.3.
Wow.
And we limit only 1.5 kilometers. And the 1.5 kilometers, that will be taken 45 minutes tour. And that is also in and out, 45 minutes. And after that, we just turn around and we go the same way.
Kasama yun? Kasama.
Sabi ko.
Sangkot.
So all the rocks that we found inside are limestone. Some of those brown colors from the ceiling, those are mineral deposits, came from the dripping water. So while the water is dripping from the ceiling, we have a lot of minerals. And they are also called stalactite formations and stalagmites. So when the formation is from ceiling going down, that is stalactite. And if it is from the ground growing up, stalagmite.